And Jamaica, them push to them.
I say go youth, look, you never roll over, man. Yeah, come and fuck up with things, man. I say.
And we police say, look, you look at the police come from here. Not tear up the place all right. It's land dead too. They don't have a blood clot. Wait, just watch. Just say nothing. And Jamaica, them push to them.
I'm professional, you know, I'm professional.
They might destroy your place. Satan work.
Dog.
They might forget the place. Make the blood clot there, make the slow God dealing and live good.
Yes.
You walk, man. You drag out.
Citizens are calling and against some brute lick because I'm too outside.
Alright, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers who already know the thing set, we're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute up on the beat, and as you can see, on the screen. Yeah, they shuttered them out, you know, and the police them to both. People putting in the comment section what you think about this batch robbery. This man said it left one man dead, and you know 8 other persons believed to be part of the criminal network are now in police custody following, you know, the attempted robbery at the Western Union outlet in Ope, Portland. You know what I mean? Which was foiled by a licensed firearm holder. And this is why more Jamaicans need more access to these things. You see, man, say, because it is understood that it was about 2 a.m. Monday. At least 5 men believed to be armed with handguns broke into the Western Union after taking off the door at the rear end of the building. You see, man, say. But armed men broke into the business, as the witnesses said. And he, the licensed firearm holder, challenged the men, and during the exchange of gunfire, one man was hit, according to Ainsley McCarthy, the superintendent of Portland Police. The drama, the police then quickly arrived on the scene and took control of the area. The injured man then was assisted to Port Antonio Hospital, where, you know, he later succumbed to his injuries. A motor car suspected to be one of the vehicles used in the robbery was seized by Babylon and the driver taken into custody. Further investigations and operations led to the capture of 7 persons, a 9mm, and was recovered, you see, and you know, rounds of ammunition. According to the superintendent, 2 other people, the drama now, are now in custody and suspected to be the mother and sister of some of the men involved in the attempted robbery. So I think some people call them grassmates or some shit like that. No. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. But none of these persons are from Portland. They all have addresses in Kingston and St. Catherine. Whoa. If your intentions are not good, do not come into the parish. One McCarthy. Yeah, so I have to go on for not to go on, you see me. Just giving them quick update for they never know it. You know what I mean? Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to be updated on stories like this. Bless.